Hey, this is Asha. Thanks for joining me in today's video. What I want to do is share with you how I plan my online video courses. And I've done quite a handful of these, so stay tuned. I'm going to share with you the behind the scenes of how I do it, and I keep it simple. All right, so if you're brand new, if you're just getting started in the online video space, I want to share with you how to go ahead and look at creating an online course. Maybe you are thinking about creating an online course. Maybe you've done it before, but you want to speed up the process. So I'll share with you how I go about doing this. Really, I've done quite a handful of courses, especially more when it comes to relating to the stock market, investing, and personal finance. So as you take a look at some of these courses, I do have quite a handful of them. Some of them, including just to show you, like this one, they're very long and detailed because it's a very complicated subject matter. So it's 19 hours or so long. And you look at all the modules that are involved there. I'll show you the way that I really go about planning these things. And what we do is, as far as what goes in the company and business, is I use the power of Airtable. Airtable saves our life in terms of databases. And what we do is we go ahead and kind of list out all the modules. So I'll show you the one I'm reworking right now. This is version 2. So I'll go ahead and create kind of all the main big topics that I'm looking to cover. And as I look at the big topics that we're looking to cover, then I say, okay, well, is the thumbnail done? Maybe this would go actually over here. I kind of look at it more from my perspective. Is it filmed? Is it edited? And then are we kind of complete? Then we do the thumbnail, the Vimeo, is it up on Vimeo? And then is it added to the website? Maybe there's any notes. We don't really do a lot of editing just because simply just like in these videos, I don't do a ton of editing. It's just one take, boom, and done. But I kind of mark some of the ones I'm going to work on next by just get it done. And here, when I look at it, I can go ahead and you can really more see it on this course. We can go ahead and working on items right here. And these are all the items that have a get it done anytime or things I'm kind of working on in the process. So when I do things like this, it allows me to just hone in and focus on, okay, what are the modules I'm focused on next right away? And then I'll look at maybe a bigger picture view right here. Hey, these are the ones I've already done, filmed, and edited, and that course is nearly done and good to go because you film it in batches. You know, eventually you don't just kind of film it start to finish. Usually I'll film the middle sections and some of the easier ones to build momentum to see if I'm missing anything from the course. Then I'll go ahead and film probably some example modules, and then maybe I'll go into the intro and outros actually at the end because people at the introduction are looking to see, hey, what's the course about? Well, sometimes I haven't even fully finished it and I don't even know how many modules it's going to have. So you can't film the introduction until actually the end. And that's really the baseline of the way that I plan it out. I used to use things like Kanban boards, which you could also do with this, where you could go ahead and create like a board. Here is what you're working on right here. And you could go ahead and make these, your titles. If you want, you can recustomize this. But I found that this was not as helpful because it got just more confusing for me because moving a lot of things. Usually you want a process for this type of stuff. We use it in other things like goals and plans for sprint boards. But for course planning, I actually like to look at the whole course just in the same way that people will look at it, going kind of top to bottom on the modules. And that's the way I look at planning these things out. And in the end, we just released this course right here. And then at the end, I might start adding, okay, well, these are the ones I want to add additional modules to it. Because later on over the next year, I might record a couple of extra videos and send a newsletter saying, hey, I just recorded some more bonus videos for this course. And you can go ahead and pick up the course if you haven't, or go ahead and, buy the course or review the course if you already have it. So anyways, that's basically the way that I plan out these courses. If you want to check out Airtable, I'll put a link in the description, or check out our website at backstageincome.com. There's a lot of great freebies and things that you could download. So just click some of the freebies here and you can go ahead and download those freebies absolutely free, or subscribe to the YouTube channel if you're brand new, and also check out some of the other great videos. Thanks for joining me, and I will see you next time.